Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, we'll be going over the top 5 dividend stocks that are on massive discounts now because of what's going on in the current events. These are my top 5 stocks that are diversified around different sectors. So if you're in one of them and one of the sectors aren't doing good, then you're not going to get totally, like, your portfolio is not going to get destroyed by it. So it's pretty well diversified, these 5 stocks that I'm about to show you. And these aren't some little tiny companies that pay like 30% dividends because they're just using that to attract investors. These are actual solid companies in different areas, in different sectors. So without further ado, let's get started. But before I get into it, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I would really appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so getting into the video, my number 1 stock, which is in the hotel field, the hotel sector, is Wynn Resorts. And this one is on a massive discount. This stock has been trading usually around over the $100 area, just on a regular basis. And now, since of the current event that's happening, that this stock, Wynn Resorts, has actually fallen down to $67. So it's almost, well, as much as actually half the price as how high it used to be a few months ago. And this is because it's in the hotel sector, which is heavily influenced by what's going on right now. So I would definitely recommend Wynn Resorts to invest into it once this whole big deal is over, because it has a really nice dividend of 4.44%. And this stock is just a pretty steady stock. It does not drop or does not grow extremely. It does not go up and down with high volatility. It's more of a stable stock that just pays you out the nice dividends. So that is my number 1 stock to invest in, Wynn Resorts. Number 2, this one is more in the medical field, which is Johnson & Johnson. This is a big blue chip stock that many of you most likely know of. And this one's also on an amazing discount. If you guys take a look at the last 3 months, this stock is down around 11%, and the last month it's down over 17%. So this stock is going down along with the whole market, and because it has a nice dividend of 2.68%, I would definitely recommend investing in the stock. And because it's in the medical sector, so if you invest in all these stocks I'm about to show you, you're not going to get your portfolio is not going to get like completely destroyed. Let's say one day if one of the sectors completely drops, then the other 4 stocks will obviously hold you up. So it's not going to be, it's going to be a well diversified dividend portfolio if you invest in these 5 stocks. So my number 2 stock is definitely Johnson & Johnson, sitting at $124 right now. After all this is over, I would definitely recommend investing in it for their nice dividends. Moving on to number 3, my third favorite stock to invest in as a dividend stock is Exxon Mobil. This stock also pays a phenomenal dividend. Actually, probably the highest dividend on my entire list of 8%, over 8%, and that's mostly because it went up because the stock fell down a lot. Last month it's down 23%. Oh, that's last week. I'm sorry. Last month it's down 39%, which is a massive drop for a huge company that's been around for, let's see, how long has this company been around? Does it say 1882? This company has been founded in 1882, meaning that this company has been around for well over 100 years, or close to around 150 years, and now it's on a really nice discount price. Usually it sits around the area of 75 to 85 to $90. So $70 to $90 usually is where it sits around. But now you're absolutely getting a huge discount, buying at $37, which is basically half the price that you would normally buy it at. And because of its phenomenal dividend, I definitely recommend buying this stock after all the current events that are affecting the market are over. Now moving on to number 4, which is actually my favorite REIT, or like real estate company, not any crypto, my bad. Realty Income. This stock has also been on a really nice discount. Today alone, it's down around 7.9%. In the last month, it's down 14%. In the last 3 months, it's not down that bad. But yeah, last week, it's down 10%. In last month, it's down 14%. So it's still on a really nice discounted price. if you take a look, this stock usually sits around the area of $70 to even $82. So $70 to $80 is where it usually sits around. And it pays a very nice and consistent dividend of 3.6%, which would definitely add a lot of income coming into your portfolio if you were to invest in Realty Income. And like I said before, I am sharing with you guys a bunch of different dividend stocks in different like sectors, because if one of these goes down and you like buy into all 5 of these and one of these goes down, the other 4 will definitely hold your portfolio up. So it's a well diversified dividend combination, I would call it. So yeah, now moving to the fifth and final stock, which is Abbvie, which is sort of in the biopharmaceutical area. And Abbvie right here is also on a pretty nice discount. Maybe not as good as Exxon Mobil, but in the last 3 months, it's down 11%. In the last month, it's down 19%. And if you guys want to take a look at the 5-year chart, this is kind of what it looks like. But this stock also pays a really nice dividend of 5.3%. I would say any dividend over 2.5% classifies a stock in my head as a dividend stock, because you can actually make a decent income from the dividends that come in from this company. And this company has a lot of new technology developing, and I definitely see a lot of growth ahead of it as well. So it's not just a dividend stock, but also has a lot of growth. But when you match a bunch of growth potential in a stock with the amount of dividend growth potential, you get an amazing company that is definitely worth investing. But as just a disclaimer, for all these stocks that I've mentioned so far, I would not personally recommend it, and I'm not a certified financial advisor, so I cannot tell you what to do. But what I would recommend is waiting out until all of this current event stuff is over, and I would then start investing once the market has slowly recovered from what's going on, because right now it's at the peak of panic and everything's going crazy up and down. Some days it's going down 7%, some days it's going up 5%. But I would definitely recommend just waiting until it's all over, let the market calm down, and then I would recommend investing in these stocks, which will probably even drop down a little bit more so you can get even better discounts on them. So yeah, that's my list of my top 5 favorite stocks to invest in. If you guys enjoyed the video, again, I'd love if you guys could smash that like button below. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.